I gotta think about this.
Some of the car care tips. Take 3. Car care tips. I'll talk about oil, tires, coolant. You don't have those, you're screwed. Okay. This. Some people have it, some people don't. This car, you have the highs and lows. Most of the time, oh shoot. You got your low dot and your full point. You need to be in between there. Don't be too close to the L, because you're gonna take an L and your engine gonna be screwed. Be closer to the full, okay?
And don't go over the full.
Please don't go over the full. Or your car gonna be putting all the way down the street with smoke.
Now, this is the coolant tank on this one car. You see a minimum and a maximum. You want it to be at that minimum. Make sure it's not at the minimum. Make sure it's in between. When the car needs to be at that minimum, make sure it's not at the minimum. Make sure it's in between when the car is cold. Do not check that when the car is hot. Do not open anything that has to do with the coolant. Make sure you get all the extra little oil up too. Do not do anything that has to do with coolant when the car's hot, okay? There's a little latch under here. You're gonna press down, boom. To put it back on, clicks right back in. That's how to get the normal ones. If you have one of these real weird looking ones, you're gonna clamp this up and then just pull down. It is that easy. Put back up, clamp. Take off, pull down. Now I'll show y'all on the normal one more time. Pull it up, tilt back a little bit, press down on this, slides off. Okay? Press that.
You got summer tires on, you're gonna be in a ditch, okay?
Or you got summer tires on in the winter,
You still will be in a ditch, so.
grass.
That button again.
Now, this is my old decrepit 4-way. This is a newer one, the shorter. I really suggest that you get the longer one. You can get a lot more power with that one. Now, under here, see, right here, this little point under your car that is clearly metal. That's where you want the jack to jack up. Before you jack up the car, you're gonna wanna break these loose. So, one, you want to do it in a star pattern. So, opposite, then the next opposite, then the next opposite, then the last opposite. You just want to get them loose. Just break them loose. At this point, slide this over a little bit so you can see. Get that metal part. Get the car up. Boom. Now, at this point, all you have to do is spin all of these off, get the new wheel, put it on, spin them back on. You want to get them as tight as you can with it on here. So, let's say we already changed it. Boom, tight as you can on here. You're going to tighten them the same way, in that star way. Now that you have all of these tight, you're gonna let it back down. But don't forget that after you're done and it's on the ground, you're gonna wanna take it again with the same star patterning. Tighten, tighten. And that's how you change the tire.